Drive to the beach. Wouldn't that be fun to be doing that again? That horse has quickly got into its gate, Jillaby Gypsy. We're just about set to go. Last on the card. Green for going there racing, and Jillaby Gypsy won the start from the inside. Alpha Zena out from the deep began well and is sliding across, and going with it in the middle is Nicky Brook, and they're going to dispute early supremacy. Three abreast as they launch into that first turn. They were followed behind them by Remember Eve, and the next one was Zermatt, and they were followed by Sporty. Well back in the field is Drive to the Beach, Art Legend, and then Scarlett O'Hara, and Ibn Nadia is back at the tail end of the field as they work into the home stretch. 8.1 was the lead time, and from barrier 1 Jillaby Gypsy able to hold. In second, Posse parked at the moment as Alpha Zena and covered up the inner Nicky Brook, the debutante, and then came Remember Eve followed by Zermatt, the inner. Back on the outside of those is Sporty, and then we go back to Art Legend. G Drive to the Beach, only third last here, is a long way back in the field, followed well back by Scarlett O'Hara, and Ibn Nadia's at the tail of the field. They went pretty hard early, and that'll suit the ones back in the field. 28.5 for the first quarter, and it's Jillaby Gypsy. It leads the way by 4 metres. Alpha Zena at the 800. Covered up the inner is Nicky Brook, and they were followed back on the outside. Remember Eve having a nice toe into the race. The leader did get a breather. 31.6 the split. 60 and 1 the half. Back on the inside, Zermatt, and then Sporty. Now Drive to the Beach starts a searching run at the 600 metres. Comes up 3 deep, and then Art Legend followed by Ibn Nadia, getting a piggyback onto the back there of Drive to the Beach, and getting away from the inside to try and make some ground as they near the turn of Scarlett O'Hara. The leader, Jillaby Gypsy, now being joined firstly by Alpha Zena, but looming large on the outside as Drive to the Beach. Ibn Nadia's on its back, yet to be produced, and then came Remember Eve as they near the turn. It's Jillaby Gypsy, Alpha Zena, and Drive to the Beach out 3 wide. 4 wide and produced now is another of the debutantes, Ibn Nadia. Drive to the Beach being joined here by Ibn Nadia. Oh, it's put pay to them in the twinkling. Ibn Nadia races away, and Ibn Nadia is going to go home and beat maybe Zermatt and knows Alpha Zena. And for fourth, prominent was Drive to the Beach, and then came Sporty, followed further back then by Scarlett O'Hara. Behind those then came Remember Eve. It was well back in the field, and in that bunch of horses, next to clock in, we've got Jillaby Gypsy, and it was one of the last ones in. Missing one, Art Legend was back with those.